Hone your English skills, mastering collocations with the Quizlet app. Hello learners! In our journey to become fluent in English, today we're diving into a special resource. We're focusing on an app that's going to boost your collocation skills. That's right, today we're all about Quizlet. This is an app that will revolutionize your language learning experience. We'll cover what it is, why it's important, how to use it, and some of the key features that make it an excellent tool for learning English collocations. Quizlet is a mobile app designed to help you study any subject, but today we'll focus on how it can help you improve your English skills. Particularly, it's a great resource for practicing collocations. In case you're wondering, collocations are words that frequently go together. For example, take a shower, or do homework. They're an essential part of language learning, making your English sound more natural and fluent. The beauty of Quizlet lies in its simplicity and efficiency. It uses flashcards, games, and quizzes to make your study time fun and engaging. It's like having a personal English tutor right in your pocket. But what makes it perfect for collocation practice? Quizlet allows you to create your own flashcards or use sets created by others. This means you can make a set for collocations and practice them until they're second nature. Getting started with Quizlet is easy. After installing the app, you can start creating your own flashcard set. Here's a simple step-by-step guide. 1. Open Quizlet and create a new study set. 2. Give your set a name, something like English Collocations. 3. Now, start adding flashcards. On one side, you can put a word like take. On the other side, put a collocation for that word, like a shower. 4. Keep adding as many collocations as you want. 5. Once you're done, start studying. Quizlet will show you one side of the flashcard and you have to recall the other side. The key here is consistent practice. The more you use the app, the more natural these collocations will become. Quizlet offers a number of fantastic features to assist you in your collocation practice. Spaced repetition. This feature ensures you review flashcards at the optimal time to aid memory retention. So, the more you get a card right, the less you'll see it. But if you struggle, it'll come up more often. Learn mode. This is an interactive way to learn new terms. The app will ask you to type in answers and provide instant feedback. Match game. A fun, timed game where you match terms with their definitions or collocations. Great for quick revision. That's it for our journey with Quizlet today, folks. It's an exciting tool that can bring about a significant improvement in your mastery of English collocations. Remember, practice is the key. The more you use these features and immerse yourself in the Quizlet experience, the more naturally you'll be using those collocations. See you in our next video, where we'll continue this exciting journey of mastering the English language.